Kia ora. IT training, University of Otago, talking about editing in-text citations in Endnote X8, Word 2016 for the Macintosh. When you have citations in a document, they contain invisible word codes, field codes, so it's dangerous to edit them directly. Instead, using the Endnote X8 toolbar, use the Edit and Manage Citations button to control the appearance of the citation. This will show you every citation in the document, and in the lower part of the window you can control the appearance of the citation, changing the look. It is also possible to edit citations in the raw state of the document when the citations are unformatted. However, this requires typing exactly the right thing in the right place and being careful not to accidentally delete any parts of the reference. So the safest way to work is in the raw state for transferring files between documents, but when you want to control the appearance of the citations in the document, have the document in the formatted state and use Edit and Manage Citations.